Hi guys, so in today's video I am going to be showing you how to make some super cute little thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So I basically use Canva. There is like a 30-day free trial for the pro version, so you can try it out before you commit to using it, like subscribing to it. To make this thumbnail I basically used the image from my video because from my research it makes sense to use images from your actual video so that when the person clicks on it they actually get to see what they've clicked on instead of seeing something completely random. And if I have saved this video to my camera roll and then I'm going to screenshot the background scene from it so that I can use that as my main background. So I just paused it, going to screenshot there, and then I'm going to resize the image so it's just there. So in Canva you should basically create a design, click on YouTube thumbnail, just check. So from here I will now click on camera roll, then open up my camera roll and I will select that image. I'm just going to wait for it to resize. Yeah. And then here just drag it to the size of, just making it the size of the full background. There. So we need to use up the whole of the image to attract somebody's attention. You need to use the whole of the image instead of making it smaller. Then I'm going to add some text to it, which I had written. I've basically used this text so it keeps coming to recently used or any other ones I've tried, so you can just scroll down and see which one suits your style and just use them. There's actually quite a few pre-made styles, so I'm just always using them. I want all of my thumbnails to look similar, so I'm just carrying on. So I did ungroup from there, so I don't want this bottom of the text to be joined. I moved it a bit lower down. From here I wrote ASMR packing, enter, music, and then not talking. Then I'm going to press done and then resize it so it stays in one line. I moved it to there because I didn't want it to get covered by any time stamps that they put lower down. Then here, click done. Then I changed the color to white, so I clicked on color, white, and then you can change all of the text. And then from here I made an outline to the text, so I think I clicked on effects and then outline here, and then I clicked on it again to get the color, which I wanted a black outline. So you can change the thickness of the outline somewhere. Here you can make it thicker, scroll up, or you can make it less. I think I keep it about there. And then also the alignment format is to that side because I wanted to just be able to see this area here. So I'm now going to change that to crystal iced. I'm going to do the same outline, so click on effects and then outline, click again to make it black. It's done. And then I add some little from elements. You need to click on elements. So here again they're showing up because I've used these recently, but you can search elements that you want to add and you can find. So I've been searching crystals and things, so I've used this. I usually use this little sparkly thing, change it to white, and then change the size of it here, resize it. And from here you can duplicate as well by clicking the plus, so I make 3 usually, 1, so that's got 3, and I'll just move them to wherever I feel like it'll look cute, and move that one, I think it is there somewhere, and then I add another element, which is that because it's an ASMR video I usually add that so people understand. And then you can just resize it again, and I put that in this corner, and that is the image done. So I'm just going to save it, and that is all done. That is your, and you just need to upload it to your video